Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a very popular career path in the tech industry, software engineering. If you are considering to becoming a software engineer but don't know where to start, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is software engineering? It's the application of engineering principles to the design, development, maintenance, testing, and evaluation of software and systems that make computers or anything containing software work. There are some essential skills that you need to become a software developer. Number one, programming. Proficiency in at least one programming language like JavaScript, Python, Java, C++ is essential. Problem solving. The ability to solve problems efficiently and effectively is a key skill for software engineer. Understanding of algorithms and data structure. These are the building blocks of programming and are crucial for creating efficient software. Knowledge of databases. Understanding how databases work and how to interact with them is important in many areas of software engineering. To gain practical experience, you have to start working on projects that allow you to apply what you have learned. This could be something as simple as creating a personal website or something more complex like building a mobile application or a web service. Then you have to build your portfolio. As you work on projects, showcase them in a portfolio. This could be a GitHub repository or a personal website. Then you have to keep learning. The field of software engineering is always evolving. Keep learning new tools, languages, and techniques. That's it for today's video. We hope this roadmap helps you on journey to become a software engineer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you very much.